There are calls for a rethink over a trial by South West Water that would see some customers pay more during the summer but less in winter. The company says it's looking to find fairer ways to charge customers, but some of the 3,500 households and businesses selected to take part have told Spotlight they think it's totally unfair. Here's our environment correspondent, Kirk England.
Watering the garden, washing the dishes, making a coffee. But could how we are charged for water change how much we use? Jackie Rowe is on a trial to test that idea. She's not keen.
I think it's disgusting. I think it's very unfair. Oh, it will definitely cost us more. We use a lot more water in the summer because we like to keep our garden nice.
Some customers will pay 3 times the rate during the summer when demand is higher, but a discounted rate in the winter. These residents are also angry about what's proposed.
If the cost is going to be halved in the winter, OK, that's fair enough, but it's going to be tripled in the summer.
I think South West Water needs to get its own house in order first. They need to solve the problem of leaks in their water distribution pipework.
So what's the big idea behind the trial of these 2 new tariffs? Well, South West Water says it's all about finding better ways to charge people based on the water they actually use.
I think the idea is probably a good idea. People spend a lot of time watering their plants, especially in the southwest, hot weather.
I'd rather stay as we are because I think most people are careful with water, and I'd be quite worried we'd get charged a lot in the summer.
There are other concerns too.
They're being forced to go onto a trial. They've got no option not to go on it, and they're really, really angry. Why should they be told to do this? They're already on water meters. Many of them they're doing what they can to save water, and why should they be forced to go on this trial?
Households and businesses across Devon and Cornwall are some of the 3,500 customers selected to take part in the trial. So why is it happening now? Well, remember this: Colliford Reservoir at record lows.
We support all approaches to saving water, and we think trials are a particularly good idea because they help you test what works with people. We are running out of water in the UK, and the South West has a particular challenge with this. Water use goes up by 50% during the summer in the South West.
South West Water says those on the trial, which is due to start on the 1st of October and last 2 years, will be given support, including help to save water.
Well, Kirk is with me now. I mean, this is a trial at the moment, but could it be rolled out?
Well, I think it depends on the results. Remember, this is going to take 2 years, and also the findings and how these 2 new tariffs are received. And remember, a big part of this is all about saving water at peak times in the summer, and that's not an issue that's going anywhere fast. We heard in the piece there from people who were concerned about the cost, potential increase in cost of going onto the trial and being part of it. Now, Ofwat, that's the water industry regulator, they are supportive of the trial, and they believe that around 2/3 of people taking part will actually be better off.
But there is a lot of angst about this. I mean, is there an option to opt out?
Well, I've spoken to several people who are on the trial. They said they'd phoned South West Water and been told by staff on the phone that it wasn't possible to opt out. The line from the company is that it's been careful to exclude people who are struggling to pay their bills, for example. Also those that have financial concerns, that might be moving house or have a health condition that's exacerbated by being on a trial. They say they should phone South West Water about that. But this starts very soon, this trial. We're super keen to hear from people involved, businesses and households across Devon and Cornwall. We really want to hear from those people to see how this shakes down.
Just email us, spotlight@bbc.co.uk. We'll make sure you get those emails. Kirk, thank you very much.